Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Facebook, then go straight to Settings and Privacy and open Settings. Once there, choose Privacy or Privacy Checkup to access controls. This is where visibility settings live. Make sure you have your password or two-factor authentication ready since Facebook sometimes asks to re-verify. You're taking the first actionable step now. Locate the audience and visibility controls for posts, profile info, and friend list so you can change who sees your content. Now you'll change each audience setting. Tap Who can see your future posts. And pick public or friends depending on how open you want to be. Then edit profile sections like About, Friends List, and Stories. Switch audience selectors to public if the goal is less privacy. Once done, use Limit Past Posts to flip older posts to a broader audience quickly. But remember, this is irreversible in bulk without manually changing each post. So proceed intentionally and review key items you want visible. Finish by making profile elements public. Profile photo and cover photo visibility are separate controls. Set them to public if you want maximum openness. Then modify search and tagging so people can find you and tags appear without review. Turn off tag review to let tags show immediately. If changes don't take effect, clear app cache, log out and back in, or update the app. These steps fix sync issues. If you still see problems, confirm changes from both web and mobile to ensure consistency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.